Okay, well, we're going to cross to our correspondent in India, Shweta Bajaj, because India is counting down to the launch of its first orbiter to Mars, and it hopes the complex mission will demonstrate and advance technologies for space travel. So let's cross now to Shweta, and she is there waiting for us in New Delhi. Shweta, this is certainly a key moment, isn't it, with India now trying to join other countries who have been able to send craft in the same direction. But what is the significance of it as far as India is concerned, and when is this rocket about to go up?
Okay, just to update everyone there, the rocket has been launched. The rocket carrying Mars satellite lifted off just about 45 seconds back from Sriharikota, which is a port just about 40 kilometers from South Indian city of Chennai. Very carefully, we can see that the ISRO chairman, along with the other officials who have been working tirelessly on this launch to make it sure it happens in the year 2013, watching how the rocket is proceeding towards the orbit. But at this point in time, we know that the rocket itself has been launched successfully. That could be is carrying Mars satellite at this point in time, and let's see how that 9-month journey that is expected to take pans out. But going back to your question, really, for ISRO, this is an extremely important mission, really. Till date, it is the most important mission that the Indian Space Research Organization has taken, despite the fact that there were many critics to it as well. Many critics also spoke about the fact that probably should have concentrated on other missions like the Chandrayaan, which is basically a moon mission that India has already conducted earlier. But at the same time, for ISRO, this particular year itself, to make it sure that it happens in this year, was very important, because the next year where a Mars mission can happen is 2016 as far as ISRO is concerned. So for it to actually do it this year was important. Incidentally, even the month of November, there has never been a launch that has happened from Sriharikota in the month of November. The weather in November is actually not conducive to it, but India wanted to do it, and PSLV, which is its polar satellite launch vehicle, extremely successful, really. It has had, this was a silver jubilee of this rocket launcher, really, with today's launch. It is its 25th launch. It has had 23 successful launches. As far as India is concerned, very important rocket launcher vehicle for it. Also, to just give you a sense, really, what does India plan to do, really, with this mission to Mars? There are 3 things which are of international significance and why the international community is watching it so closely. It is the first time ever that a methane sensor is going with the Mars satellite, really, and if it is placed successfully in the orbiter, then if the methane sensor is activated and it can sense methane on Mars, it will confirm presence of life on Mars. Secondly, India has been looking at how to commercially use its space and research organization. Of course, it has been using its PSLV, the launcher, for many international launches. This particular launch has a greater significance because something like this has never been attempted by India. It's only becomes the 6th nation in the world to do so, and at a cost which is much lesser than other countries. Also, the fact that it actually prepared the rocket in the last 15 years shows the kind of capability that it has at this point in time, and will give it a huge commercial significance, really, as far as its rocket launcher, which is the polar satellite launch vehicle PSLV, is concerned.
All right, Shweta, many thanks indeed, and thanks for confirming that the rocket is on its way, and we wish it well. It was due to take off at 2:38 p.m. local time, and obviously it's done that.